It's like I can't do no wrong.
Hey money loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this beautiful set using MODELONES Poly Nail Extension Gel Set. I have been using MODELONES kits for years at this point. If you guys have checked out my other nail videos, then you know I can vouch for MODELONES and their products. And in this video, I'm also using a lot of products from SHEIN. So we're having a little collab between the two brands right now. And I just had to let the girls know that we can achieve this look right at home. And this is how the packaging came. It came with a catalog as well as instructions and tips on how to use the set. And then we have 6 different colors of the PolyGel. I purchased this back in January because I knew I was going to go for a French manicure look. And this is the nude pink collection. This video is a part of my self-care routine that I like to do at least once a month. I started off using this light pink color in 159. Then I decided I wanted to change it up and use something darker so it'll flow better with my skin tone. I will show you all that color as we go along in this video, but now let's go ahead and get started. Starting off with bare nails, I'm going in with my rubbing alcohol as well as a cotton ball to clean off my nails. And I'm also going to be using this cute little nail cup that I got from SHEIN. This was only $2, you guys. And to file my nails, I'm going to be using this nail drill that I got from Amazon. So this is the nail color that I ended up using in 283. As you can see, I did go ahead and practice on one hand, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it on the other hand. Starting off with this 2-in-1 nail brush and spatula that I got from MODELONES, as well as nail forms. I'm going to start with my thumb and fit a nail form just a little bit over the nail size. And once I find the right nail form for that finger, I'm going to go ahead and finish prepping the nail by using my nail drill. After prepping my nails for the nail form, I'm going to go in and clean off the nails again, as well as put on a thin layer of base coat gel polish. Once I apply the nail polish, I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds under a UV LED light. If you all want to know where I got these products from, definitely check out my description box down below. Start off the nail extension, I'm using my 2-in-1 nail brush and spatula, and I'm going to take the spatula side and dip it in the alcohol that I have in the nail cup, and I'm going to put some PolyGel onto the spatula. You guys can put however much you want and build from there, but I pretty much know how much I want to put into the nail form. So once I have the amount that I need, I'm going to place that onto the nail form and start to smooth it out with the brush side using a rubbing alcohol. Now you have to be careful doing this step because the PolyGel is a really pliable and you don't want to press down too hard. In this video, my nail shape is going to be medium to extra long, and I'm making the shape to be coffin. Once I'm done forming my desired length, I'm going to place the nail form onto my nail bed and cure it for about 1 minute. You can always tell if the nail is ready if the nail form just pops off. If it doesn't pop off easily, then you should cure it for another 30 seconds to a minute. Now that the nail is cured, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off with some rubbing alcohol in this cotton ball because the surface of the nail will be sticky. Now, at some point when doing your nails like this, you will have to go in with some extra PolyGel and fill in the spaces where there might be gaps or where you can still see your nail. This is what I will be doing throughout the video. And the file that I'm using is a 180 grit that I got from Sally's. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how I do these same steps with the rest of my nails, but I'm also going to include some footage of me using my nail drill to shape the nail as well. To start off the first nail design, I'm going to be starting on the thumb where I use the 159 color. That is the light pink. I'm going to take this white PolyGel and make ridges on the nail. Now this wasn't my original nail design, but because this was my practice finger, I had to figure out a design that flowed into the rest of the nails. Now this is how that design turned out. I think it looks really good, but I had to go in and shape it with my nail drill. It didn't take too much. I just wanted to smooth out the top of it so it blended in, but still had the shape. And over the top of the nail, I'm going to be taking a white gel polish to even out the color of the entire nail. Now for 3 of my nails, I did decide to do a French tip. I just used that white polish to shape it, and I did freehand this design, so I didn't use anything else to help shape it. If I had any mess ups, I did use 2-in-1 nail brush and spatula to clean it up with the alcohol. After each nail design, I did cure it for 1 minute and then go on top of that with a clear top coat and cure it for another minute. For my next nail design, I did go in with this flower design nail art from SHEIN. It was only $2. So you guys, if you want that, go check it out. And I used the clear PolyGel from this set to mold it down to the nail. I didn't place the clear PolyGel all over the nail. I just put it in dots all over the nail where I want to place my 3D design. And I did take you guys' advice from my other nail videos and invested in a dual-ended nail brush to help pick up these 3D designs and place it onto my nail. And for the pearl design, I do have another set of nail art from SHEIN. This is the bear-shaped nail art decoration. And I'm doing the same thing I did for the roses on the other parts of the nail. For my next design, I did go ahead and use a double-ended nail point pen that I also got from SHEIN, and all I did was trace out the French tip. Then I cured it once I was done cleaning it up and doing the trace. After that, I did take the clear top coat this time instead of the clear PolyGel and just paint it over the entire nail. And I used that to place rhinestones. Y'all know, if you've been watching me, that I had to go the extra mile and make it blingy. Like, we have to add the bling bling, okay? So I took these rhinestones that I got from Amazon and placed them randomly around the bottom of the nail. And all I did for my pinky is the same design as the rest, and that is the French tip. That is pretty much all I did, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for the recommendations throughout my nail videos. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
We got the reason, we got someone.